Hey guys, welcome to Unit 6 review. And the functions I have given you is up here. There's 5 of them, and you're going to use these for all these problems. Okay? And here is your review. And this is pretty much your test. This right here and the inverses. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay. I need to see the work. You can't just give me the answers only, so make sure you know how to do it. Okay? Alright, number 1. B of x. So I'm going to start off with my b of x. I need you to write that, so it's square root of 2x minus 4. Okay? Your next one is your a. You now have a new a, and that new a is 2x minus 4. Notice how I'm just rewriting that, and I'm going to go to my a function. 2, wherever you see an x, you're going to substitute square root of 2x minus 4 plus 1. Okay? Here's your parentheses. Parentheses means multiply. There's an understood 1. These guys stay together, so you're just going to multiply 2 times 1. What is 2 times 1? 2. Okay, let me rewrite it. Carry over your 2x minus 4. Bring down that plus 1. These guys cannot combine. One's under a square root, the other one is not. And there you have a of b of x. Okay, you are basically simplifying. Alrighty, next one. I'm going to start off with c of x, which is negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Please be very careful as you are doing the math. Don't just like right. Think about what you're doing. Okay, so now you got your c, and now you're going to go to your b, and there's your b. Okay? So your b, you are now going to use all of that. You see it right there? This is now your new x. So you're going to have a square root. See how there's a square root? 2 times negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Carry down your negative 4. Alrighty. Distribute. Negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 8 minus 4. Combine your like terms. These are the only two that are like terms. So negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 4. All of it under your square root. Nothing else to do, so we're going to label b of c of x. Okay. All right. It just takes practice, guys. Okay, number 3. I'm going to change color pen real quick. Is that thunder? Sure is. All right. Now we have d of x, and what is your d? So I'm going to move this up, go back to the top part. Your d is 2x. All right, so your new x is now a 2x. And now we're going to plug it in for my c function, which is negative 2. Remember, I said to put parentheses around your x, minus 5x, there's my new x, plus 4. Okay. Order of operations, exponent comes first, so bring down my negative 2, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. That's what that means. I'm going to go ahead and multiply 10x plus 4. Multiplication, negative 8x squared minus 10x plus 4. Nothing else for you to do, and so there's your c of d of x. Notice how I work going straight down, okay? So just keep working down. Don't write all over the place because that'll mess you up even more. Alrighty. Number 4. We're going to start off with our e of x, which is x squared minus 2. Okay? Show your work. Your d is now x squared minus 2. Your x is now x squared minus 2. So d, 2 times x squared minus 2. Notice the square goes with the x, not the whole thing. So all you have to do now is distribute. Okay? So you have 2x squared. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So there's D of E of X. Some are long, some are short, okay? All right, let's look at number 6. And if you need to have a separate sheet of paper, please get a separate sheet of paper. Square root of 2x minus 4, there's your B. Oops, sorry. Next, we're going to plug that into your D. There's your new x, okay? So D is 2 times square root of 2x minus 4. Sorry, that goes out here. All right. Nothing to do other than to distribute, and I cannot multiply 2 times 2. You only take care of what's the outside. There's your 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Carry down your 2x minus 4. And that comes out to be D of B of X.
In that case, you're just going to do the next case, but luckily we already have the same case.
There is your work. Okay, let's look at number 7.
Okay, your first step.
We're going to start with A first. What is your A? 2x plus 1. Okay. And now we're going to go to D. The D now has a new x, which is 2x plus 1. And here's D. 2 times 2x plus 1. Distribute. 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times 1 is positive 2. And there's your D of A of X. That is as simplified as I can get it. Not the same term. All right. Number 8. There's 3 of them. No big deal. Okay? So C of X is negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. Your next one is your B. And you now have a new x. So there's your B. Square root 2 times negative 2x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus 4. All under your square root. Simplify, you're going to distribute all under your square root. Negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 8 minus 4. Combine your like terms. Negative 4x squared minus 10x. 8 minus 4 is plus 4. Okay. So that was your B. Okay? Now we're going to plug that into our A. So the new A, the new x is now square root of negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 4. Okay, so 2 times square root negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 4 plus your 1. Okay? All right. The only thing that you're going to multiply is there's a 1 outside. So 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down your negative 4x squared minus 10x plus 4. Bring down your positive 1. So that's A of B of C of X. 3 parentheses. And there you go. Okay?
Okay.
You're good?
And the only difference with this and 5-4 is that's
All right.
your first step.
Let's go to number 9. Now look at your x. Your x now has a number. So B of 2.
Questions, okay?
We can always Google Meet. Okay? We can always Google Meet. Square root 2 times 2 minus 4. Simplify. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Square root. What is a square root of 0? Is 0. Make good choices. Have a good weekend. I always say that.
I know. I don't know why I did that with me, but
Your x is now a 0 for your A. So 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So there's your A of B of 2. Okay? Number 10. All right. We're going to start off with D. Your x is now 4. Okay? So 2 times 4 is 8. All right? So now we're going to plug that 8 into your C. X is now an 8, so C is negative 2 times 8 squared minus 5 times 8 plus 4. Give me one moment. All right. Exponent first, negative 2, 8 times 8, 64, minus 40 plus 4. 2 times 64 is negative 128, minus 40 plus 4. Negative 128 minus 40 is negative 168 plus 4. Comes out to be negative 164. So there's your C of D of 4. And there you have your front page. All right? You got to try it. You got to show your work. You don't have to show these two here, but you have to show everything else.